meteorologist Ross Whitley with your Storm Team 13 forecast.
Starting out with our Perrin Young Tower Cam as we look across St. Andrews Bay here. We've got some building cumulus and we've had rounds of tropical showers work on through. Some of us have had some thunderstorms, but for the most part, lightning has been on the downtrend today. It's been low topped showers. That brought some gusty winds at times, and we're going to hold on to at least the chance of that through the evening. Through the evening hours and into the overnight. We'll likely continue to see a lot of this fade as we go into the overnight hours, and then another chance at some shower activity as we get into Friday. But those temperatures will be noticeably warmer because we could see a lot more sunshine in a lot of locations. So starting out the morning, 84 climbing to 93 as we get into the middle of the day, and then going into the afternoon into the low 90s. Some locations may even climb all the way up to about 95. The big story today outside of the rain bands working through, red flags. We've got a red flag flying in Bay and Walton County, double red flag flying in parts of Gulf County, and single red everywhere else. Single red obviously meaning knee deep is too deep. You want to stay in front of that first sandbar. Our wave heights running at about 2 to 4 feet all the way across. You can usually see 4 foot if there's waves breaking on the second sandbar, as they are right there. That's about a 4 foot wave, and then the waves breaking on the first sandbar looking about 2 to 3 feet. So just about where they're breaking there, that's the first sandbar. You want to stay in front of that, meaning your knees are too deep if you go past that. 91 for the day tomorrow right along the immediate coastline. A 40% chance of rain reducing to 30% for both your Saturday and Sunday. The heat is going to go up. And there's a good look at that rain banding. You can see the feature still showing some broad rotation in the atmosphere, and we're on the far eastern side of it today. It has broadened out as far as the rotation as well, which has allowed a little bit more moisture to play with versus what we had yesterday when we had the low directly over the top of us. So actually slightly wetter today than what we saw for the radar coverage on the day for your Wednesday. How about as we go through the rest of tonight? Again, should see a lot of this activity fading as we go into the overnight hour. And then tomorrow with the heating of the day, our seabreeze convergence areas, that's going to be the best chance at running into a shower or storm. But temperatures certainly are going to be warmer with the lack of cloud cover around. As we get into Saturday, we're going to see those temperatures climb even higher. Air quality on the good side, pollen count back to low, chinnopods and grasses, UV index back to the extreme category, 11.7, and you can burn in about 5 minutes. Nothing in the eastern Pacific, and even though we still have favorable conditions in the Gulf, that tropical entity that we didn't think would develop, well, it's down to just a 10% chance at this point. Should be basically on land in Louisiana. That's going to track up. The next cold front comes in, but it's not about the cold front. It is all about the heat. You're going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 90s on the Futurecast here, and yeah, I went bold. We went 94 to 95 for our coastal areas Saturday and Sunday. But as we look at our inland areas, how about 98, 100 on Sunday, 100 on Monday, and then some higher rain chances toward the middle and end of next week. Maybe a similar setup to what we had this week, but I don't think any threat of tropical action. Just more moisture could mean some cooler temperatures. So fingers crossed on that.
Fingers crossed. All right, thanks, Ross.